Hey guys, James here. Thanks for coming back to the shop again. Today we're going to be spraying the Tintable Raptor Liner, the tintable. So I got 8 liters of the tintable base, and I went to my paint store and I got some Omni tinted base without binder, and we're going to be mixing that in. So if you're interested in doing this yourself, stay tuned and I will go step by step how to do it. Okay guys, let's get going on this. We are going to be using the Raptor Liner on this Jeep today. So what you're going to need for this is probably a Tyvek suit. I like wearing a hood. It's a little cheap hood thingy. If you wear prescription glasses, I'd recommend using an old pair of glasses so you're not getting this stuff on your new glasses. Of course, some rubber gloves, and most importantly, a respirator. Guys, don't skimp on wearing a respirator. This is, volatile organic compounds that can kill you. Let's learn from the guys from the past and wear our personal protection devices, okay? So it's real simple. We'll zoom in and do a little close-up, but you basically fill the hardener up to a line. I guess it's this line here. You shake it and you shoot it. We're going to be using the gun that came with it. It's just a simple undercoat gun. I put my regulator on it and a little filter that catches any water coming in from the air compressor, and it should be a piece of cake. We'll have Gavin following us around while we're shooting, and we'll go from there. So this is the Raptor U-Pole brand tintable bed liner that we're going to be spraying on the whole Jeep for a full color change. So it comes in these liter bottles, and each one you put the hardener in it, shake it up, but we also are going to be adding the color. So also there's differences in the guns. This is the cheaper gun that comes with some of the kits, and I ended up spending another 65 bucks on this more fancy gun that has an adjustable tip. So I want to do a more coarse texture on the outside and a finer texture in the door jambs. So you can vary that a little bit by air, but from my experience with this earlier today, it's kind of coming out the way it's coming out. So hopefully this one will give me a little bit more fine tunage. Don't forget to wear a respirator when you're doing this stuff. I should probably put it on now. I normally would, but since I'm going to be talking to you guys, I'm going to not be wearing this right away. And then when I go to spray, I'm going to be wearing the full Tyvek suit with the hood and all that too, because I don't like getting all this crap all over me. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is shake these up. I noticed from the black ones that it was a little bit settled. So I'm using my digital scale. I'll zero that out, and then I'm going to go ahead and pour 3 ounces in here by weight. And another trick you can do is take a nail and put a couple holes, pop a couple holes in your can. And what that does is any paint that gets in that groove, it will allow it to run back into the can. Alright, you can see why I put a plastic bag over my scale. Alright, so that's 3.2. I'm going to lose a little bit. So I'm going to open one of these up, and I'm just going to load up all of these with my colorant. Honestly, doesn't seem like a whole lot going in there. So I tighten that lid up. I'm going to hold it with a rag, give it a good shake. Alright, well, it's great. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get ready to spray this stuff. The fan going, I'm going to go ahead and mix in the 8 ounces of hardener. horror of shit. Alright guys, it's 1 o'clock in the morning. I still got the fans going because I want to vent out all the fumes. I'm really tired, but it looks pretty good. There's some inconsistencies in the texture. I really don't know. I was spraying with the same pressures, but it seems like the mixes were a little bit different. But overall, it looks really good. And we'll unmask it in the morning and see how it looks. I'm going to bed. Alright, looks pretty good, guys. That's the aluminum side window. At the hood. Hood looks a little bit stripy. Looks like I can see a few things, but it's hard to tell. I have to get it out in the sun. Shop is an absolute mess. So last night I went and peeled off the tape off stuff like this. I had it all taped off because I didn't want the Raptor to totally dry. Same thing with the lines up there. But overall, man, it looks pretty good. Bodywork looks pretty good. I can see some like different sheen lines. Looks like right here there's like a line that comes down. It was hard to get even sheen on this. But overall, looks good and ready to tear down. I even did some touch up right in here. I can actually see, like, see that right there? That was where I touched it up with a brush. I missed it when I sprayed it somehow. But looks pretty good. Alright, Gavin, what are you doing?
Fix the side window.
Alright, Gavin just installed the side window project that we did a while back after we took it all apart to paint it. Go ahead.
Spaceship.
It's like a spaceship. Awesome. So Gavin just redid everything. I gotta put the moly panel back in. Latches up real nice. Oh yeah, hit it one more time just for the fun of it. Oh jeez, I'm stumbling over stuff. That's cool. Hit the back glass, the middle one. That one doesn't just open by itself. But there you go. Awesome access to the back of your gear. Sweet. A more coarse texture. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to leave a comment. All that helps with the algorithms with YouTube. And come back and check us out again. Thank you.